Praveen, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, I'm good.
Yes, okay. Actually, the thing is, you need to turn on your camera.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, while attending an interview, not an issue in that right now. And just give me 5 minutes. Mr. Deep is joining us.
Sure.
I am good.
All right. So, Mr. Praveen, Mr. Deep is here, and he's going to conduct a managerial round of an interview. So, best of luck for that.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Hi, Praveen.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I am good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. So, are you taking this manager around
Yes.
from home or somewhere else?
What?
Are you available from home or somewhere else?
No, like currently I'm in Bangalore.
Okay. At home?
No, like in my PG.
Okay. So, where you are located actually? Where you are from?
Like I'm from.
So, you want to relocate again to Ahmedabad, right?
Yeah, I have to relocate. Like I have spent around 2 years in the Bangalore, and now like I have to relocate in the
Okay. Just give me a second. I'm just turning off my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, sure.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Okay. All right. So, can you give me a brief of yourself?
Yeah, sure. And in ITC Infotech, I have worked as a full stack developer and worked on like Node.js, React.js, Next.js, and I have worked around 4 to 5 projects in the ITC Infotech. Yeah, that's all from my side.
Okay. So you have completed your graduation in which technology? In which particular field?
Computer
BTech.
science. Yeah, computer science. BTech.
Okay. And what's your passing year?
2023.
Okay. And when you have joined this company?
Like in September 2023.
As a
like our designation is associate IT consultant, but I have worked as a full stack developer. Like designation is like work is different. Right?
Wow! So they have appointed you as your IT consultant.
Associate IT consultant. Like there was a designation.
Associate.
Yeah,
okay.
There was a designation. Like 4 or 5 designation. Yeah.
Okay. After that, did you get any other position?
No. Like after that 2 years only, like they will promote the freshers. So I have resigned before completing the.
When you have resigned?
Like in
July 25.
Yeah.
Okay. What was the reason?
Like the reason is they doesn't have like good development project. That's why. Like they have told me to shift to the support role. That's why I have resigned.
But that's a big company.
Like yeah.
Why they are not having any projects?
I have reached out to many managers, but they doesn't have any development projects, and also like there was not a proper good hike for the freshers. So that was also a reason as like Bangalore, like it is like hard to survive in that salary in Bangalore.
Okay. And how many employees are there over there?
Like in my past company, it was around 10,000. It was like
all were sitting at that place?
No. Like we have branches all over the India. Around
so
five
in
to
that
six, around 5 to 6 branches we have in the India.
Okay, and in that Bangalore company?
In the Bangalore office was around 2 to 3,000, you can say.
Okay, and what kind of projects they are working on?
Like we have worked for a BAT client, like British American Tobacco. Like it was the main client of the ITC Infotech. and
Mhm.
yeah, like all the big projects are from the BAT client only. Like we are working for a BAT client.
What does it mean by that?
Like
I'm not aware about that.
like it was that in the India we have ITC. So
Mhm.
in the US UK there is BAT, like British American Tobacco. It was a huge company of the tobacco.
Mhm.
So ITC is also like a shareholder of the BAT. So that's why they have gave all the projects to the like around 60 to 80% projects they give to the ITC Infotech, and the remaining projects goes to the Accenture and TCS.
Mhm.
Like
Okay.
I also worked on one of the project that was come from the Accenture.
Mhm. So, are they a service-based company or a product-based company?
Service based company. Like BAT is a project based company, but ITC Infotech is a service based company.
Okay. Okay. So you got more than one project from them?
Yes.
Okay. So what kind of projects you have worked on?
Like one of the project I have worked on was the like transport management system. So basically in that project we have to deals with the like full transport management, like how the goods are uh, uh, going from one route to another. So we have to monitor it, and also like we have make an web application for uh, for like proper dashboard kind of thing we have made for transport
So
management.
who were the end users of that web app?
End users are the BAT users only. Like transport, this project, that project is come from the transport department of the BAT.
Mhm. Okay. So under transport management,
Yeah.
under transport domain, there might be several types of users, right?
Yes.
So are there multiple types of users in your app as well?
Like there are users like role based application that was like there are three users like admin approval and users.
Mhm.
Like it was
And
something
what
like
was the exit system?
exit system.
What was the exit system under the transportation? You have mentioned that the transportation department is handling this,
Yes.
like is using this web application,
Yes.
right? But what kind of features are there, right,
Okay.
in which you have worked on?
Okay, let me like explain. Like there was we have in the dashboard, like if some goods are gone to like Bangalore to Lucknow, so like there are too much ways to for the transportation of Bangalore to Lucknow. So we have like user have to provide the details, like what are the proper lanes of that, and when the user fill all the details, then it goes to according to the goods of the selection, then it goes to the proper approver, like whatever the approver of that good, so it will goes to the proper approver, and then approval will like approve or reject and add on do some comments on that, like it was not good, you have to change that route. Yeah, like that only.
So how you will identify that the route is perfect or not?
Like it was identified by the approvers only, like for a specific good, like let's example for a cigarette. So for that there was a group of approvers, so that particular request is goes to the only that approval only, so that approval can able to figure out like that route is good or not.
Okay. And how they are finding that outside the web application?
No, like they they know their reasons, so like there are some set of rules that only we have implemented, and like they will figure out manually.
Okay. Can you give me an example of any particular route?
Particular route what I can example
From any from first suburb to second suburb, or first postcode to second postcode, something like that.
uh, like uh, hmm, like in our application, whenever like a user select like that good is transported to from that route, like from this lane to this lane. So like we have implemented some lead time, some of like lead time optimization, so that value is automatically came, so that how many time it will take for transportation of that distance. So it that time is automatically calculated by the application only.
Okay. So the goods, the drivers are also using the web application.
Yeah, end user, like not the drivers, uh, the only the end users are using, like uh, whoever is whoever is uh, like transporting, like in a warehouse, yeah, there was an supervisor, so that users are supervisor using that application, and after that the approvers are their head, so that request is goes to their head, and
Okay,
admins
and
can
then
monitor all the users and supervisors.
okay, so once the approval would be given, after
Yeah.
that, what are the next features?
Like approval are given, so that approval will, like if the approval is accept that to particular route, so that it so that the transport, like the transport will be like allowed to take that route. Like without the
Okay.
approval, without approval, the like transportation is not able to like go to that particular route.
So apart from giving the approvals,
Yes.
okay, and the roles which you are assigning, are there any other features in this web app?
Yeah, we have implemented a chat to support type of thing, so that if like end users, like user is facing some issue, so that they can directly communicate to the approver if they are facing some issue. Yeah.
Okay. So how did you implement that?
Like I have implemented it using like socket.io, like for the real time communication and chat support.
Mhm. And what kind of features you have implemented in chat?
Like in the chat, like user can able to, like in the customer support, user is able to connect with the proper approval of that particular route.
Mhm.
Like it is basically for the communication purpose, like if he
Okay.
is facing some issue, so that he can communicate.
Is it only a textual based chat?
What?
Was it a text chat, or are there any other facilities also?
No, like it was only like message support, chat support only.
Message support.
Yeah, chat
Chat
support.
support. Is it a chatbot?
Yeah, no, like not a chatbot, it was like a messaging type of thing.
Okay. So have you handled the read receipts and everything?
Like notifications.
Yeah, notification along with the read receipt and
Yes,
everything.
yes.
So how you got to know that the user has read the message or not in socket?
Like in the socket, user read or not, so that
Hmm.
in that we can apply the logic na?
Yeah, what kind of logic should be there?
For reading. So like whenever like user is sending a message, so that particular message is gone to the user, sorry, approver, if if the approver was online. So if the approval is online, so that in the we can store it in the table.
So how you are getting know that the user is online or offline?
Like in the web server only, like we can get to know like the user is online or not, so that if the user is
By
online.
which method? Is there any method or function using which you can identify?
Method, let me think. Like yeah, there was some method, so that like I have also implemented the online feature, but if the approval is online, so that the green button will like the green light will become like it was online. It was showing online.
Yeah, that I got it.
Yeah.
But using which particular function or method you have done that?
Like socket.on. Like we have to like maintain a function like who like user is online or not. So in the like from the users we have to check like user like that particular user ID is currently online or offline. Like from that only we will get to know like that particular user is online or not. Like we have to create a function for that, for checking if that particular ID of the user is online or not.
For example, if I'm sending a message over there, okay, and my internet got hold of, right? My internet was off, right? And then suddenly the internet is coming up. So are you going to handle this? Are you handling this kind of messages which have been sent in offline mode?
Like for the
Did you face this kind of scenario?
Like for the offline mode, yeah, like in the like front end, like we have handled that, so that if that particular message is doesn't send, it will like retry and send it again whenever the internet came.
Using which particular function? Are there any kind of listeners using which you can identify whether the internet is on or off, or when the internet is coming on or off?
For that, if the internet is off, I have used not sure, but yeah, something I have used.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. How did you handle the notifications?
Like for handling the notification, the like same I have used socket.io. Like we have now like socket.emit all, so that it will goes to all the users. Notification goes to all the users.
And if you want to check whether the notification is being read or not, how can we check that?
Like for reading, reading I haven't implemented in that particular application, but I can tell like how can we do it. Like we have just send a notification like don't well, but if the notification is sent and we have to check the like database we can choose for that. Is read we can add in the DB. If that particular notification is like true or false, we can like in the starting we can mark as false, and after the read we can mark as true.
Okay. All right. So you have implemented the UI as well, right? Of course, you are aware about React.js.
Yes.
So if we'll have the Figma file, the design is ready in Figma or XD. Okay. You know about Figma or XD?
Yes.
Yeah. So we have the design ready in Figma.
Okay.
Now, if we will tell you to prepare the design in React.js, are you able to do that?
Yes. I have made like most of the times we have.
Or do you require any help of HTML, dedicated HTML developer?
Like in the Figma, like it was mentioned, like what was the size of that particular box. Everything was mentioned in the Figma, so we don't need HTML developer for that.
Okay. How can you make the website, appropriate to all the devices? How you can handle the responsiveness in React.js?
Like responsiveness, like normal, like we can use like media query, and also in the React.js, like most of the time we have used Tailwind, so there was VW, so that it can able to handle it, and in the React.js we can write all the things in the config.js, so like it will like we can write uh, for mobile view we can write we can able to write a different CSS, and for the web view we can able to write it.
Okay. Which kind of databases you have used on?
Like
Used till now?
like Postgres and MongoDB both. SQL and NoSQL.
Okay. All right. Okay. Apart from the chat and notification, have you implemented any third-party platform?
Like not third-party platform, but I have integrated.
APIs or SDK, anything?
Third-party API I have implemented.
You haven't implemented?
No, I have implemented third-party APIs.
Which kind of API?
Like third-party SharePoint APIs and SharePoint implemented third-party, and also like for a one project there was an dependency on a third-party library. I doesn't recall, but I have used in one project.
Okay. Have you implemented any payment gateway?
Yeah, Razorpay I have implemented. Like Razorpay, Google Auth, that third party I have implemented.
So, using which particular methods you have implemented the transactions? Like if you are applying. So, which kind of features you have implemented with respect to payment gateway?
Like for a payment, you can say like for the ordering part, I have implemented.
Okay. So at the time of doing an order, was it an e-commerce website?
Not an e-commerce, but it is like an e-commerce, so that like user can place an order or place a request for that, so that he need to pay some amount.
Okay. So if the payment is being successful or failed, how can you identify and Razorpay?
Like in the Razorpay, we will get in the response, and we can also like implement webhooks for that, so that it was real time.
Are you able to get the payment status on the spot, or you must have to wait for some time?
No, like we have to wait for some time.
So using webhook, you are going to get the status.
Yes.
Do you know any testing cards?
Testing, like
testing cards.
Like React, I have in the React I have used like what just.
No, I'm talking about the testing card. You have implemented payment gateway, right?
Yes.
So in this sandbox, you might have used the testing cards to check the details, right?
Okay, okay.
The testing card details, the account number, the card number, and everything.
Yeah.
So do you know any card number? Do you know any testing card number?
Testing card number, like in the Visa, like it was 16 times 1.
This kind of card numbers Razorpay is providing.
Yes, and not 9. Like I think it was like in the starting it was 4, and then it was 1 in the Visa card Razorpay. Like during the development, I have checked.
Okay, so you have implemented the payment gateway for ordering, right? So are there any shipping facility as well?
No, like not a shipping facility. Like it was handled by the third party.
Which third party?
Which third party? Not I have like only implemented like the ordering part. For the shipping part, our team has implemented some API for it, but I haven't implemented that part.
Okay. Okay. So usually in this kind of projects, okay, I think you have worked on 2-3 projects till now.
Yeah.
So in that particular project, how many team size were there in each project?
Like it was dependent on project to project. Like in one project it was like 15 team size, and in one there was only 6 member. Like it was depend upon like 6 to 15 members team I have got.
And if you bifurcate them with their roles, right? What kind of members were there in a team?
Like in the 6-member team, like we have one project manager and one UI developer and two front end guy and two back end guy.
Okay. So you have not yourself handled both front end and back
Yeah,
end?
no, like sometime like I have to work as a full stack developer. Like one of the project. So in that project, like there was a dependency on myself only. Like there are three full stack developers only. So there was no like separate front end and back end guys. Like there are like three full stack developers only in one project.
Okay. Have you worked on any dedicated project, like you have communicated with the clients directly on a daily basis?
Like in the small project, like one I have mentioned, like one of the project is the like 6-member and 5-member. So in that project we have to communicate with the clients. Also, like we have to do the demo on the call, and also like take the feedback from the client and work on the feedback point kind of things.
Okay. What kind of tools you have used in this company so far? Internal communication with client communication, everything.
Tools like ServiceNow, I have used Azure and Microsoft Teams for communication. Yes, that's all.
Okay. Any project management tool?
Yeah, Jira.
Okay.
The Jira I have got on.
How you are handling the testing part?
Testing part, like front end testing, I have in one project I have wrote test cases. In the like I think just in the React I have used like in one project only I have done the testing. Like, and the most of the testing is done by the team's member only. Like there was a separate department for the testing.
Okay. And which kind of system do you have on which you have worked on? Was it a Windows system
like
or
Windows
Apple system?
Windows Lightbook.
So you have already left this company, right?
Yeah, right.
You have served the notice period or not?
Like I have served the notice period.
Of how many days?
Around 30 days.
Okay, what was your last day over there?
29th of July.
Okay, and now you're looking for a job in any city?
Yeah, like if I can survive in Bangalore, like I can survive in any city.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any opportunities on hand?
Like yes, one offer is in pipeline. Like just a communication.
Is it in Bangalore?
Yeah, that is in Bangalore.
Okay. Are you able to relocate Ahmedabad if you will be hired?
Yeah, I will be able to relocate because like
because we are having a work from office or facility only.
Yeah, I can relocate.
Only. Yeah. Okay. Then it's fine. All right. What when you have joined this company in September 23? Okay. What was your pay scale?
Pay scale?
Yeah. What salary you were getting at that time? What was your CTC at that time?
Like I have joined at 4.25 LPA.
In September 23.
Yeah.
Okay. After that?
After that, like in the last year, there was some hike, and it was very less, around only 5%. Very less. It like my salary was still around 4.5 or less.
So, in September 24, you got an increment, and your updated CTC was 4.5.
No, like 4.2. Like it was very less, like less than 4.5.
Can you give me the exact number?
Exact number, let me remember.
It should be there on your latest, right?
Yeah, it was around 4.29 or 2.39. Like that, like past year, the increment will be like nothing. The company will provide, as they have told us like the company face some losses, so that's why they haven't given increment.
So you haven't got any increment last month?
No.
Last year.
No, like my salary was still around 4.29 only, like 4.29 or 4.39. They doesn't have to give any increment last year for all the employees.
Throughout India, like all the 10,000 employees didn't
Like,
get any
I'm not sure
increment,
about
right?
the India, but in my department they haven't given increment. Like
Okay.
the department I have worked for, there was around 600 members, but all like for the freshers they haven't given any increment. I haven't like know for the seniors, but for the freshers they haven't given any like last year.
So ideally, if you were continuing over there, okay, where do you get any next position? Like at the moment you are an associate.
Yeah, like after 2 years they will increase the grade. So like currently, like I was the IS1, like Associate IT Consultant 1. So after the 2 years they will increase the grade, and then the grade will be IS2.
Okay. So why did you leave the company in between?
Like I've told, like development projects was not there, and I am not like to work in the support part.
How many Managerial developers are there in the company when you leave?
There was in my department there was less number of Managerial developer, because my department is a data department, BAT data department. So there only around 10 developers are there. Like
10 Managerial?
Yeah, 10 like freshers who have worked as a full stack developer. Like seniors are also there, but as a freshers only 10 are there. They are working as a full stack developer.
Okay. So can we assume that 20 to 25 Managerial developers are already there in that company?
Yeah, more than like in a full company around 500 plus Managerial developer are there.
Managerial?
Yeah.
Okay. They were only handling the mobile, the websites, or they are handling the mobile apps as well?
Like for the mobile application, we have Android developers also.
Okay. You mentioned that they were giving you a support role. So what kind of support role was that?
Like support role, like they have told me to we haven't development role as of now, so you have to check with some other managers. So I have reached some managers, so they have told us like support role is that email email support kind of things. So that I don't like that type of set.
Okay. Alright. What's your expectation at the moment with respect to money?
With respect to money, I was looking for around 10 LPA.
Okay. And you mentioned that you are in a communication with other opportunity as well.
Yes.
Do you have any offer on hand?
Like one offer is in pipeline in Bangalore.
Did they give any number?
Yes. Like that offer will be 8.5 to 9.
Okay. And did you get the joining date over there?
Not yet.
All right. Okay, Praniti. So I'm done from my side. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes.
Yes.
Like how?
Please ask.
Like how all the like projects are there? Like if I got award selected, like I have to work on which type of projects?
Yeah. So we are mostly serving our services in APEC region, which are having the countries like Australia, Singapore, and New Zealand.
Okay.
So clients are from there. Okay, now we are a service-based company, as you know, so we are getting different kind of projects. We are getting the projects in website as well as in mobile applications as well.
Okay.
Right. So if we are having any mobile application in which you have to do in which you have to develop any APIs or admin panel, then also you have to do the work. If you'll have the website work, then also you have to do the work in one. Right. So at the moment we are having around 5 to 6 projects in pipeline.
Okay.
On which we have to plug the new resources.
Got it.
We are having the man resources, but we are expanding because of the projects in pipeline. Right. So we are having a different kind of projects, whether it's in an e-commerce domain or a social domain. We are having multiple types of projects available. So now we are just looking for few developers to get on board whom we can assign those projects.
Yeah. Got it.
So this kind of projects will come in a different domain as well as with respect to mobile app, like you have to develop the APIs, you have to develop admin panel, websites, everything.
Yeah.
It's not about